Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome back to JASMY video update. Another target is about to be met, and yesterday we talked about this one. So 2 days ago the first target was to come here, made this bear flag. I gave you that target. Another flag was made, gave you this target yesterday, and I'm still telling you that I personally don't really think that we are done with anything just yet. I'm just gonna go back to the JASMY chart right now, and let's extend this lower support line right there, because we do have a little bit of an influence probably coming in here. And if I can extend this, maybe just leave a trend line like that, because this is a valid trend line. So the thing about it is the following. Now listen very carefully. Perhaps you might want to hear this part, because this looks like something we need to lay out down there. Now you see we have a technical target to drop all the way to 3879, but if this is going to be a little bit of a tricky update right now. So a very quick recap is that you came down like this, made that flag, break out of the flag, takes you to 3879, ignoring the 0 decimals right now. So if you are coming down to 3879, you can see that could be another bounce off this support line, because you have one touch right here, second touch right there, third one right over here, come down a little bit there, and then retest that line again. Right now, unfortunately, if you have another scenario coming into play, and that is perhaps go on and create another flag right here, which is going to be this flag right there, and then you break out of that flag right now, and then you try to continue lower and drop all the way down to 3740, then one thing is going to be very clear. That is, you're going to be losing that trend line and support that you had. So lose the trend line, try to come back for the retest at 3957, and then from there get rejected and continue with its journey all the way to which we've been long waiting for that green box. It's been days and months and weeks, maybe 2-3 months. I've been preaching that, hey, this is what I'm looking for, and this story began from the weekly time frame, because the higher time frame are the leaders, not the 4-hour time frame, not the 1-hour time frame. Always pay attention to the higher time frame, and you can see the higher time frame printed out this sideways movement known as a bearish rectangle. Came down like this, move sideways, break down. That's your next technical target. So whatever is happening in the 1-hour time frame and the 4-hour time frame is basically nothing more than noise. So that's pretty much it for this update on JASMY. My plan always remain one thing: invalidation. If invalidation happens, cancel this. If invalidation doesn't happen, the technical target is in play. So invalidation is to come up to 13,469, backtest, things like this. The whole downtrend gets destroyed, the whole flag gets destroyed, right? Otherwise, this is your target sooner rather than later, maybe by January, maybe by February. It's only a matter of time, and we are so close. We're really close. We've already dropped from 8,000, we're now at 4,000. Another 50% dump is on the way, or 60% dump is on the way. And that's pretty much it for this update on JASMY. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.